Hi everyone, my name is Imyelda Maulidina Putri, and today I would like to explain about root, base, and stem in morphology. Morphology is the branch of linguistics that study the internal structure of words and how words are formed. We analyze words, we often break them into smaller, meaningful parts called morphemes. Among these parts, three important concepts are root, base, and stem, although they are related. They have different functions in word information. First, let's discuss about root. A root is the most basic and central part. First, let's discuss about root. A root is the most basic and central part of a word that carries its main meaning. It's the core element of a word that usually cannot be divided into smaller meaningful units. Root typically appears without any prefixes or suffixes. For example, in the word teacher, the root is teach. In rewrite, the root is write. In unhappiness, the root is happy. For this example, we can see that the root expresses the main lexical meaning of the word. Other elements like prefixes or suffixes only modify it or adding additional meaning to the root. Okay, the next is base. A base is a form of a word to which an affix can be added. Affixes include prefixes, which are added at the beginning of a word, and suffixes, which are added at the end. A base can be a root, but can also be a word that already contains an affix. For example, in the word unhappiness, first, the root happy receives the suffix ness, forming happiness, then prefix un is added to form unhappiness. In this process, happy function as a base for ness, and happiness become the base for the prefix un. It shows that a word may have more than one base during the word information process. Okay, and the last concept is stem. Stem is the part of a word that receives inflectional affixes. Inflectional affixes are endings that show grammatical information such as tenses, number, comparison, or aspect. For example, play can be place, playing, or play. Here, play is the stem because it receives the inflectional endings s, ing, and ed. Another example, teacher plus suffix s can be a teachers. In this case, teacher is the stem because it received the plural ending s. So the stem is mainly used when we talk about grammatical change in a word rather than forming a completely new word. So in conclusion, root, base, and stem are closely related concepts in morphology, but they have different roles. The root is a smallest core unit that carries the main meaning of a word. The base is the form of a word that can receive an affix during word formation, and the stem is the form to which inflectional affixes are added for grammatical purpose. Understanding this concept helps us. Okay, that's all about root, base, and stem. I hope this make you understand better about stem, root, and base. So that's all from me. Thank you very much and have a nice day.